Do you know what cancer is?
Yes.
Yes.
95% of the people who answered the survey know what the cancer is. How many person do you know has or had cancer?
2.
1.
3.
As heard in the interview and shown in the graph, 51% of the people know 3 or more people have or had cancer. What's the type of cancer she or he has?
Lung cancer.
Colon cancer, prostatic cancer, pancreatic cancer,
Colon cancer and breast cancer.
The results showed that the most common type is breast cancer, which was 30%. In contrast, melanoma and endometrial cancers were the least common. What do you think the general symptoms of cancer are?
Weight loss.
Weight loss.
As clarified in the graph, most of the people think that the weight loss is the most common general symptoms of cancer. What do you think the best treatment method of cancer?
Surgery.
According to the responders, surgery is the best treatment method of cancer, which was 50%. However, only 9% have chosen radiotherapy.